Hello, hello, sweet little learners. We are back and we're learning about curvy and straight lines and numbers on our dice. So for today's activity, you're going to be getting a dice. Ooh, 1. Where's my 2? 2. What's that one? 3. Did you say 4? 4. You're right. 5. And, how many is that? 6. You got it. All right, you're going to be getting a curvy and a straight piece of paper. So it might be blank and you might have to do it yourself, or your teacher might have already prepared it. So what it's going to look like is that you're going to have a squiggly line, a curvy line down the middle, like so. And then if you roll the numbers 1, 3, or 5, you're going to draw a curvy line. If you roll the numbers 2, 4, or 6, you're going to draw a straight line. Now, in order to remember what those numbers look like, I strongly encourage you to make the dice below each number. So I'm going to go ahead and make what the dice looks like, and you might want to do that too, so that when you roll it, you can recognize it. See? 1, 3, and 5. Now there might be squares already on your piece of paper to fill in the dots, or you might just want to do it yourself. And then on the 2, 4, 6 side, you're going to make the dice look like 2, 4, or 6. So you already may have a piece of paper that looks like this. Or maybe you're going to fill in the dots yourself with pre-drawn squares. Are you guys ready to play? So 1, 3, and 5 is a curvy line. 2, 4, and 6 is a straight line. So I put a curvy line beside my 5 and a straight line beside my 6 so I can remember. Now, I don't want to use a black marker because I want to have some fun. I think I'm going to use pink today. Are we ready? I'm going to put the screen down so you can see my rolls, and then you can tell me which side it belongs to. Ooh, here we go. What is that? It matches this side. So this side, I have to draw a curvy line. All right, here we go again. Ooh, what did Miss take? What number is that? Oh, it matches my 3. Guess what? I get another curvy line. Ooh, here I go again. Ooh, what's that? What does it match? Oh, it matches my 2. I'm going to draw a straight line. It's a big fat straight line. Did you see that? I'm going to keep playing. What's that? What does it match? Oh, it matches my 5. It's a curvy line. Whee! I have so much fun making those curvy lines. I'm going to go one more time. Oh, what is that? Is it a 1, a 3, a 5? Oh, it's a 2. I matched it. I'm going to draw another big fat straight line. So you're going to keep playing this until you have so many curvy lines and so many straight lines filling up your page. Have a lot of fun playing this curvy straight line dice roll game, and I will see you soon. Bye.